In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in Figma. Bold text is a simple way to create hierarchy, make headings stand out, or emphasize key information in your designs. I'll walk you through opening your project, adding text, and applying bold using the quickest shortcut, along with a few helpful tips so everything works smoothly. Start by going to figma.com in your browser. Once you're signed in, head to your workspace and open all projects. This view helps you quickly find what you're working on. Click the project you want to edit to open it. If the file has multiple pages or frames, make sure you're on the canvas where you want to add or format your text. Inside the file, select the text tool from the top toolbar. You can also press the T key to switch to it instantly. Move your cursor to the canvas and click once to place a text cursor. This creates a text layer and puts you in typing mode right away, so you don't need to create a frame first unless your layout requires it. Type your text exactly as you want it to appear. If you already have text on the canvas, you can double-click it to enter edit mode. To prepare for bold formatting, highlight the text you want to embolden. You can drag over the characters with your mouse or use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all the text within that layer. Now apply bold. The fastest way is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. You'll see the stroke of the characters become thicker, and in the right-hand panel, the font weight will update to a bold variant if the font supports it. Press the shortcut again to toggle it off if you change your mind. If the text doesn't look bold or the shortcut seems to do nothing, check a couple of things. Make sure you're actively editing the text layer and not just selecting it as an object. You should see a blinking cursor inside the text. Also confirm the font you're using has a bold style. Some fonts don't include bold, and in that case, you may need to pick a font with a bold or semi-bold weight. As an alternative, you can open the right-hand properties panel and choose a heavier weight from the font weight dropdown. That's all there is to it. Open your project, add or select your text, highlight it, and use the bold shortcut. With these steps, you can quickly emphasize headings, buttons, and labels and bring clearer structure to your designs.